So we decided to split the course into subsections, in which the first section is Introduction to Kali Linux. Here you will see what is Kali, what Kali is all about, and get the general view of it. Next, you have to look at how to get started with Kali, mostly by using the terminal, typing and executing commands. You'll get to look at the commands mostly used in day-to-day life of a Linux user. Next, we'll have a look at general Linux fundamentals, not only in Kali, but the Linux itself. And here is where we get to ask ourselves, is Linux an operating system or just a kernel? We'll also be able to answer that. We'll also be able to answer what is a kernel. Next, we will be able to do advanced Kali configurations, like adding users to the system, doing and applying file permissions, amongst others. And the last part is where we will focus on penetration testing with Kali. This is where we will start by defining what is a penetration test, how is it done, who does it, and why is it done. In this section, I'll also show you how to create basic tools to help you in your day-to-day penetration testing gigs through programming. And this means I'll be teaching you how to be a better programmer by learning how to create and code your own tools. Those tools are not only used in ethical hacking, but you will also be able to create your own backdoor, a ransomware, and also a command center to send commands to any of your compromised targets. We will subdivide the last section into web application penetration testing and networks penetration testing. By the end of the course, you should be able to perform a full penetration test and submit all your findings to the relevant bodies. Well, without much ado, let's get started.